Tired of battling stubborn fat that just won't budge? These 5 powerful drinks could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Kickstart your weight loss and see results fast. Lemon cayenne water. Mix the juice of 1 fresh lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 8 ounces of warm water. Lemon aids digestion, and cayenne boosts your metabolism to burn calories faster. Green tea elixir. Steep 1 green tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Sip 2 to 3 cups daily to enjoy its antioxidant-rich, fat-burning power. Apple cider vinegar tonic. Combine 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 8 ounces of water, and a splash of honey or lemon for taste. Drink before meals to curb your appetite and stabilize blood sugar levels. Protein-packed smoothies. Blend 1 scoop of protein powder, whether you prefer whey or plant-based, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of frozen berries, and a handful of spinach. This smoothie keeps you full and fuels muscle repair, enhancing fat burn. Ginger turmeric tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in 2 cups of water for about 5 minutes. Then, add a squeeze of lemon and a dash of honey to reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Which drink are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more fat-burning hacks.